Hey there, the team over at Humboldts Secret sent over their everything kit for me to try out, and guys, this is great. I can take care of everything indoors and outdoors in regards to my plants. This is what each product is and what it does. So the first thing in the kit is their everything indoor plant food. It is a 3-3-3 blend of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. On the back of the bottle, it has a list of some of the houseplants that it can be used for. This is a concentrated mix, so it's 1 capful per 2 cups of water, and this is a suitable formula for watering plants once a week. Next, they have a 5-5-5 formula that is suitable for lawns, plants, vegetables, fruit trees, other trees. It connects easily to the garden hose. There's an off switch and an on switch. The back clearly lists all the directions as well as other information. This will cover up to 3,200 square feet, and it can be used as often as every 4 weeks. Finally, it's the best of both worlds. This is their 20-20-20 formula. It is granular. It is good for indoor and outdoor. It comes with its own scoop. That's what it looks like. It can be used as both powder or dissolved in water. Instructions are clearly listed on the front for indoor and outdoor use. I really like that this covers inside and outside for me. One kit to do it all, multiple ways of use. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if this kit is a good kit for you.